Hi, Mark.
Hey, Emma. How's your day?
Great, thanks. Today, let's talk about two very common words in English, some and any.
Oh, yes. They look simple, but many students get confused about when to use them.
Exactly. But don't worry, after today's chat, you'll understand them easily.
Scene 1. When do we use some and any?
Okay, let's start simple. We use some and any when we talk about an amount, but not an exact number.
Right. Like, I have some water means I have a little water, but not how much.
Exactly. Some and any both mean an unspecified amount, but we use them in different kinds of sentences.
Yes, and here's the rule. Some is usually for positive sentences and offers. Any is for negatives and questions.
Perfect summary. Let's look at examples.
Scene 2. Using some in positive sentences.
Okay, positive sentences first. We use some when we talk about things that exist or we have.
Right. For example, I have some bread. There are some apples on the table. She bought some new clothes.
Perfect. We don't say how many, just that there's a certain amount.
Yes, some sounds natural when we expect the answer to be yes or when the thing exists.
Exactly.
Scene 3. Using some for offers and requests.
Now, some is also used for offers and requests, right?
Yes, when we offer or ask for something politely, we use some.
For example, would you like some coffee? Can I have some water, please? Would you like some help?
Perfect. Some sounds friendly and polite.
So we never say, would you like any coffee?
Not usually. That sounds too formal or strange. Some is warmer in offers. Scene 4. Using any in negative sentences.
Now, let's talk about any. We use any in negative sentences when we don't have something.
Right. Like, I don't have any money. She doesn't have any friends here. There isn't any milk in the fridge.
Perfect. Any shows zero, nothing.
Yes, I don't have some money sounds wrong. You must say, I don't have any money.
Exactly.
Scene 5. Using any in questions.
Okay, now what about questions?
Good question. We usually use any when we don't know if something exists.
So, for example, do you have any sugar? Is there any rice left? Did you buy any books?
Yes, you're asking to find out.
But sometimes we use some in questions too, right?
Good point. We can use some in questions when we expect the answer to be yes.
Like, would you like some tea? Or can I have some more soup?
Exactly. So, any for real questions you don't know the answer. Some for polite offers or expected yes answers. Scene 6. Quick practice.
Okay, Mark, let's play a quick quiz. I'll see a sentence and you fill in the blank with some or any.
Okay, ready.
Okay, 1. I don't have blank coffee.
Any coffee.
Correct. 2. Would you like blank juice?
Some juice.
Good. 3. Are there blank eggs in the fridge?
Any eggs.
Excellent. 4. I bought blank apples this morning.
Some apples.
Perfect score.
Yay! Scene 7. Review and tips.
Okay, let's review. Use some for positive sentences and offers. I have some friends. Or, would you like some tea? Use any for negatives and most questions. I don't have any time. Or, do you have any milk? Use some in questions when you expect a yes answer. Can I have some sugar?
That's clear and simple.
Yes. Practice using these every day. It will help your English sound natural.
Thanks, Emma.
You're welcome. And thank you everyone for listening.
Tell us in the comments, do you have any questions about English grammar?
Or maybe share some examples using some and any.
We'll read your answers in the next episode.
See you next time for another English chat.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.